It's a clear day in this city. Let's go dance under the streetlights. All the people in this world, let's come together more than ever. I can feel it. Can you feel it? Come on over down to the corner. My sisters and my brothers of every different color. Don't you feel that sunshine? Telling you to hold tight, things will be alright. Try to find a better life. Come on over.
Hi! Okay, so this is going to be my super quick video of everything I brought with me on this trip. I'm currently in Germany, traveling to different countries in Europe for the summer. I'll be here 2 months with my friend, so this will be my entire wardrobe and all my necessities that I need with me for 2 months, which would be the same if I was here longer, as long as I'm in the same climate.
2, 3, My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, cause we don't know how.
Okay, so I'll just quickly go through it. Have 2 pairs of underwear, 2 leggings, 2 tank tops, plus the 3rd one I'm wearing, 2 graphic tees, 1 pair of shorts here, 1 pair of shorts here, 4 dresses, a jacket, a hat, 2 compression cubes for my clothes, have my swimsuit, and that's it for my clothes. I have a hammock and Kodiak straps. I have, for my TSA liquids bag, deodorant, sunscreen, toothbrush and toothpaste, facial scrub, facial cleanser, contact solution, 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, which I also use as body wash, mascara, and moisturizer. In my kind of odds and ends group over here, I have glasses, hairbrush, my solar charger and the cord for that, my phone charger, adapter for the outlets in different countries, thumb drive for my phone, sunglasses, tweezers and nail clippers, chapstick, razor, ibuprofen, extra hair tie, menstrual cup, earplugs, head buff for my eyes, a body scrub, 2 pocket knives, a couple mosquito bands, bracelets, waterproof phone case, selfie stick and tripod, umbrella, wallet for train tickets that they give you, international driving permit, and my passport. The only 2 pairs of shoes I have are my hiking sandals and my flats, and then I also have my book. That's about it. So as you can see, it's a pretty basic list of items to bring for such a long amount of time, but the only things that I really felt like I was needing or missing was I am going to still buy an extra pair of athletic shorts because I wear these almost every day, and an extra tank top. I had actually fit more in this backpack when I first came over, and I ended up mailing a good chunk of it back, things that I ended up just not needing. So in the description I'm going to include my whole list that I brought. I'm going to also include what things I brought and ended up sending back, and then what I wish I did have. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what types of things I decided I needed for traveling abroad for an extended amount of time. I will have a next video up soon, which will be more about the trip and more about what kinds of things I've learned about traveling. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.